Hi, I'm Sandy Steinman, author of the Small Business Turnaround Guide, Take Your Business from Trouble to Triumphant. We invite you to go to our website at www.businessturnaroundguide.com to view our other videos as well as some of the other resources that we made available to help small business owners. In our last video, we discussed the fact that before you can develop your operating plan, you have to have a clear vision. Here's what it takes to develop that vision. First, we have to create a vision that's practical and that works. There's three key elements of an effective and compelling vision. First, the major purpose. What business are you really in? Second, a clear picture of the future. What will the future look like when you achieve success? Finally, clear and cogent values. What principles will guide your behavior and decision-making processes on a daily basis? This would be a good time to go back to some of our previous videos on the subject of a corporate vision. The process of creating the vision is as important as what the vision says. Instead of simply taking top management to a retreat to put the vision together and then announcing it to others, encourage dialogue about the vision. While the initial responsibility for drafting an organizational vision rests with top management, the organization needs to put in place mechanisms to allow others to have an opportunity to help shape the vision or to put their thumbprint on it, if you will. For a departmental or team vision, it's possible to craft the vision as a team, although the department manager or the team leader must have an idea where he's heading. Regardless of how you initially draft the vision, it's important that you get input and buy-in from those it affects before you finalize it. Ask people these questions. Would you like to work for a company that has this vision? Can you see where you fit into this vision? Does it help you to set priorities? Does it provide guidelines for making decisions? Is it exciting and motivating? Have we left anything out? Should we delete anything? You know what? Creating a vision is a journey. It's not a one-time activity. Communication is vital. You have to keep talking about the vision, constantly reinforcing it.